Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will explain how to Q3 extension file. Next, configure firewall manual for client 1, but mark connection and mark packet for file extension that will be recreated with the following command. Then the explanation for rule 1 use content.iso because the file you want to limit is a file with the extension .iso. Then rule 2 mark packet. The marking packet configuration aims to mark or wrap packets from previously configured mark connection. Next, do the same configuration for client 2. Next, configure the manual firewall for both clients, both mark connection and mark packet for browsing that will be recreated and add browsing commands to it with the following command. Configuration for client 1. Configuration for client 2. Next, so the result of the manual firewall configuration will be as follows. If you check the GUI table, the word command that we enter is at the top, so it is easier for you to differentiate between the manual firewall configuration for ISO downloads and the manual firewall configuration for browsing. Next, configure the Q3 for the parent with a bandwidth value of 5 Mbps. Then also do this to configure the client 1 and client 2 Q3 for a max limit bandwidth value of 5 Mbps with the following command. Next, configure the Q3 for the child or client with two rules. The rule used is a rule based on browsing and downloading ISO with the following command. Configuration for client 1. Then configuration for client 2. Then so the result of the Q3 configuration will be like the following if checked in the GUI table. Next, do a test on client 1 by running a speed test. Confirm that the bandwidth obtained is the mere bandwidth value with a download bandwidth value of 5 Mbps. And can be seen here that it is close to the desired limitation on the router. Next, do the test by browsing anything on client 1, for example browsing the repo UGM ICAD site. Then if you look at the Q3 table, what happens is that the average rate value in the client 1 browsing rule will run. It can be concluded that the configuration for browsing limitation has been successful. Then do a test by downloading a file with the extension .iso. Then if we look again at the Q3 table, what happens is that the average rate value in the client 1 ISO rule will run. It can be concluded that the configuration for .iso file limitation has been successful. So much from me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.